Hi Year 6 and welcome to Wednesday's Maths Answers. Today I'm going to go through your fractions problems from page 37, questions 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's have a look at question 4 first of all. You're making equivalent fractions. So you've been given one whole fraction with both the numerator and the denominator, and then you've got two with little bits. Now remember, you have to multiply or divide to get your to exchange between denominators, and you have to do the same to the top and bottom. So let's start here. 4 times what is 12 times 3. So that's what I'm going to do to the top. Okay, this times 3 equals 9. So go backwards, inverse 9 divided by 3, 3. So you should have got 3/4. Now to do this one, we're not going to be able to go from 9 to 6 very easily, but now I've worked out this one, I can. So 3 times what is 6 times 2. So then do the same to 4. Okay, so you've got 3/4 and 6/8. Number 5 then, you were shading. So you need to shade a third. Remember, the top number is how many to shade, the bottom number is of the total you've got. Now none of these shapes have got 3 parts. So I'm going to have to find equivalent fractions. So I want 1/3. I know how many parts are in my shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to find the equivalent fraction to get me that numerator, how many to shade. 3 times 2 is 6, so 1 times 2 is 2. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2 bits. Okay, so 2 bits shaded. This one, again, I want a third. I've got 12 parts. 3 times 12 is 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm timesing by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And therefore I want to shade 1, 2, 3, 4. Any 4 parts of that shape. And then last of all, I've got 18 pieces in this last one. So find my equivalent fraction. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 times 6 is 6. So in this one, I want to shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any 6 pieces. Okay, so 2 pieces, 4 pieces, 6 pieces shaded. Well done if you got that. Let's look at the last 2 questions. So number 6 said, in this circle, 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. What fraction of the whole circle is not shaded? Now, really, looking at the picture isn't necessarily helpful here. We're just going to read what we've got. So a 1/4 and a 1/6 are shaded. So let's find out, let's add those together. Now, I can't add together 2 fractions with different denominators. We know that already. So I need to find a common denominator. Thinking about my 4 times table and my 6, common multiple is 12. So I would have got them both over 12 and add them. Okay, so 1/4, 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 times 3 is 3, 3/12. 6 times 2 is 12, so 1 times 2, 2/12. So 5/12. Now, don't be fooled into thinking that was your answer. Okay, let's check my question really, really carefully. 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. What fraction is not shaded? Okay, that's our bold word there, and that's important. So 5/12 are shaded. A whole would be 12/12. So my answer of what's not shaded, 7/12. Well done if you got that. Let's look at the last question then. An ice cream van sells chocolate and vanilla ice cream. In 1 week, 3/5 of the 935 ice creams that are sold are chocolate. How many chocolate ice creams were sold? So I know that 3/5 of 935 are chocolate. So I'm going to work out 3/5 of 935. Okay, do it up here so I've got a bit more space. First of all, I find out 1/5. Okay, 1/5 equals, and then I'm going to do 935 divided by 5 to find my 1/5. Okay, divide that by 5. That goes once, remainder 4. That goes 8, remainder 3. And that goes 7. So 1/5 is 187. Again, don't be fooled, that's not my answer. Okay, I want 3/5. So I take my 1/5 and I multiply it by 3. 187 by 3. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 16. 18. Sorry, I completely messed that up there. 8 times 3 is 24. Add 2 is 26. Sorry, I've got half-term brain. 1 times 3 is 3. Add 2 is 5. So your answer is 561. Really, really well done if you got that answer. Okay. Let's have a go tonight at number 8 and number 9 of your fractions problems, okay? Take your time with number 9, it's a bit of a trickier problem. Page 38, questions 8 and question 9, come back tomorrow for the